We begin in the name of God, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today we have to start with exercise 2D. Question number 12 is this. The perimeter of a triangle is 50 centimeter. One side of the triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smallest side, and the third side is 6 centimeter less than twice the smallest side. Find the area of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is given, and they said that one side is 4 centimeter longer than the smallest side. So first of all, you will let the smallest side be x. Then second side is 4 centimeter longer. Then the smallest side, and the third side is six centimeter less than twice the smallest. Twice the smallest means 2x, and less than 6 centimeter means minus 6. These will be your side. First side is x, second will be your x plus 4, and third will be your 2x minus 6. We have to calculate the area. So we will use, when three different sides are given, we will use Heron's formula. When we will apply Heron's formula, this will be your ABC, and we want S. S means semi-parameter. Semi-parameter means sum of all sides divided by 2. Your sides are x, x plus 4 and 2x minus 6. Sum of all sides divided by 2. X plus x, 2x, 2x plus 2x, 4x. 4x plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2 divided by 2. When you will take 2 common, so it will become 2x minus 1 upon 2. The value of S we will find from here. It is given in question. Parameter is 50 centimeter. When P is equals to 50 centimeter, so S will be 25 centimeter. Semi-parameter, so we will put the value of S over here in this equation. S is 25. It will be equal to 2x minus 1. Transpose them. So 2x is equals to 25 plus 1 is 26. X is equals to 13 centimeter. Now put the value over here, so you will get the length of sides. So first side is x, smallest one, so x is 13 centimeter, the value will be 13. Second side is x plus 4, so 13 plus 4 will be 17 centimeter. Then third side is 2x minus 6. 13 2s are 26, minus 6 is 20 centimeter. And we know S is equals to 25 centimeter. Now we will put this value in Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle. Area is equal, what is Heron's formula? Under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So when you will put the values of S, A, B, C in this formula, so you will get the answer. Now question number 18. The height of an equilateral triangle measures 9 centimeter, and they said you to find area and correct it to 2 decimal places. And the value of root 3 is given. Now given is height of an equilateral triangle, and during introduction I told you one formula. What is that? Height of an equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 2 multiplied by A. And what is A? Length of side of equilateral triangle. It is given, it is equals to 9 centimeter. Height of an equilateral triangle is 9 centimeter, and we know the formula to calculate height of an equilateral triangle. Now transpose them. So A will be equal to 9 into 2 upon root 3. In first chapter we have learned कि denominator में roots के number नहीं होते, तो we will rationalize it by multiplying root 3 in numerator as well as in denominator. So you will get here 18 root 3 upon 3 centimeter. This is the side. A is side of an equilateral triangle. This is the value of length of side of an equilateral triangle. Now they said you to find the area of a triangle. So area का formula we also know. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into A square. Put the value of A. It is equals to root 3 by 4. A is 18 root 3 upon 3 whole square. Now solve it. You will get root 3 into square of 18. 18 into root 3 into root 3 whole upon 3 into 3. We will solve this. So root 3 into 18 square है 2 times. Root 3 का भी square, that means 2 times, and in denominator 3 is there, so 2 times and 4. Now 4, 2 2s are 2 9s are 18. Again 2 से cancel होगा, it will be simplified. So 2 9s are. Now what is that? Root 3, 9 into 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Square से root cancel. And denominator में you will get 3 into 3. Okay. Now here 3 in numerator as well as in denominator, it will be simplified. And this one 3 is by this. So you will get root 3 into 9 into 3. Now multiply them. 3 9s are 27 root 3. But in question centimeter square will be the answer. Okay, they said you to find the area of an equilateral triangle. This is the area of an equilateral triangle. But value of root 3 is given. So we will put the value of root 3 in this. So you will get 27 into 1.732. It is equals to 26.764. And question is saying correct it to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means 7 6 तक लिखना हमको. तो लास्ट वाली डिजिट देखेंगे, 5 से अगर ज्यादा होती है तो इट विल बिकम 7 7, लेकिन ये 5 से कम है, इट इज 4, तो वी विल टेक ओनली 7 6. तो 4.76 centimeter square is the area of that triangle. Question number 20, they said you to find the area of shaded region. 2 triangles are given. The inside one is right angle triangle and this one is a scalene 48 52 and one side is unknown. And in triangle ADB 2 sides are given and one is unknown. Okay, now the area of shaded region will be the area of triangle ABC, जो बड़ा वाला triangle है, minus subtract करा दीजिए area of triangle ABD, ये छोटे वाले triangle का, you will get the area of shaded region. This one is also a triangle, this one is also a triangle. For this scalene triangle we want this side. According to Heron's formula से area निकालेंगे, तो हमको third side भी known होना चाहिए, third side हमको मालूम नहीं है. Okay, now in this triangle इसका तो simple है, half base into altitude लगा देंगे because height is given, it is given that this is 90 degree. पर इसकी half base into altitude लगाने से पहले we will use Pythagoras theorem. We will find this hypotenuse. If 12 centimeters a base and 16 centimeter is its perpendicular, then this AB act as a hypotenuse. So we will find first of all hypotenuse. Then we are able to calculate the area of triangle. So in triangle ABD, using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square होता है. This is your Pythagoras theorem. चैप्टर 1 में भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. Put values. Base is 12 square plus 16 square. So when we will put the values, base is 12 I have taken and perpendicular 16. 16 square is 256. When you will add them, you will get 400. Hypotenuse square is 400. तो स्क्वायर से के सामने वाले पे क्या लगता है? स्क्वायर हटता है तो सामने वाले पर स्क्वायर रूट चढ़ती है. Then 400 is the square root of 20. So hypotenuse is 20 centimeter. Now you are easily able to calculate the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula, and then you will subtract it with under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then you will subtract it with area of triangle ABD. You will use half base into height. Okay, you will put values. You will get the answer. Question number 23. They said find the parameter as well as area. आपको इस फिगर का पैरामीटर भी फाइंड करना है और एरिया भी फाइंड करना है. In which these dimensions are given and this angle is given. So we know that perimeter is sum of all sides, means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. हमारे को एक साइड नहीं मालूम है, that is BC. तो first of all we will find BC. And area of quadrilateral way, it is divided into two triangles. First one is ABC. This is a right angle triangle, and ADC. Previous question, we will first of all we will find the side BC using Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, and then using half base into altitude formula we will find out the area of this triangle, and we will add the area of triangle ABC, and we will find the area using Heron's formula. Okay, so first of all using Pythagoras theorem, right triangle, in right triangle ABC, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Base is 21 square plus 20 square. 21 square is 441, 20 square is 400. When you will add them, you will get 841. स्क्वायर हटेगा तो सामने वाले नंबर पर रूट लगेगी, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज इज इक्वल्स टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 841 which is equals to 29 centimeter. So you will get BC as 29 centimeter. Now they said you to find parameter of a quadrilateral. Parameter means sum of all sides. Parameter of quadrilateral is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. It is equals to AB 21 plus 29 plus 42 plus 34. So you will get answer. Parameter is always in centimeter because it is a length. Next part of this question is find the area of quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral is divided into two parts, this triangle and this one. ABC, it is a right angle triangle, so we will find the area of this triangle using half base into altitude formula. And area of triangle ADC we will find using Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under root mein. Okay, so just like we did it in question number 19. So parameter is 126 centimeter. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. ABC, this is right angle triangle, so we will use half base into altitude plus ADC we will use Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. In this triangle base is 21 centimeter and the height is 20. For this formula, first of all we will find S. S is semi-parameter. ACD. In this triangle, S is sum of all sides divided by 2. 34 plus 20 plus 42 divided by 2, it will be equal to 48 centimeter. Now we will put the values of A, B, C and S in this formula. 48. 48 minus 34. 48 minus, next one is 20. Then 48 minus 42. We will solve this also. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are. Or 21 into 10 is 210. Plus, subtract them. It will be 48 into 48 minus 34 is 14. 48 minus 20 is 28. 48 minus 42 is 6. Now we will factorize them. Factorize 48. It is 6 8s are 48. Then 14. 2 7s are 14. 28. 4 7s are 28. And 6 I have written as it is. Now look. 2 6 are here. So root से बाहर. Okay. Then 2 7s are here. The square से square root cancel. You will get 7 out. Now what is left inside? 4. 4 is a square of 2. So 2 बाहर आएगा. And what is left inside? 8 into 2. It will be 210 plus 6 7s are 6 7s are 42. 42 into 2 84. Under root, sorry, it will not come now. 8 में how many 2s are there? 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 2 cube. और one more 2 means 4 2s are there. So pairing में करेंगे तो how many 2 will come out? 2 2 will come out. Again multiply by 4. Now multiply them and later then add them. The of a quadrilateral ABCD is 210 plus 336. You will get 546 centimeter square. यूनिट लिखना कंपलसरी होता है. हाफ मार्क्स कटता है यूनिट नहीं लिखने का. ओके. Question number 26. They said find the area of a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 10 centimeter, and AC is 16 centimeter. And we know the property of parallelogram that opposite sides are parallel and equal. If AB is 14 centimeter, so DC is also 14 centimeter because it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. BC is equal to 10, so AD is also 10 centimeter. So area of a parallelogram is area of triangle ABC plus ACD. Now sides are same, so area will also be same. ये 10 है, ये 10 है, 14 and 16, 14 and 16. So area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle ADC. So it means that area of parallelogram is equals to 2 times area of triangle ABC. This is an scalene triangle, so we will use Heron's formula. Very good. 2 into under root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Are you able to solve this question? Try it. Okay. Question number 29. Given is length of BC, length of AC, and length of AB. 7.5, 6.5 and 7 centimeter. And one more thing is given that area of triangle ABC is equals to BCDE, area of parallelogram. Area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram BCDE. दोनों के एरियाज इक्वल हैं. They are equal in area. It is given in question. अब पूछा क्या गया है? They said find the length of DL. That is height of a parallelogram. Okay. This is we have to find the height of a parallelogram DL. Now we know that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of parallelogram. What is the formula for calculating area of parallelogram? Base into height. Area of parallelogram is base into height, and we know the formula to calculate the area of triangle ABC. We will use Heron's formula. Under root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. First of all, we will find s and then put values of ABC here. Base is 7 and height is d DL. आपको ये DL फाइंड करना है, तो आप एरिया निकाल के ट्रांसपोज करा के फाइंड कर लेंगे. एंड रिमेंबर द यूनिट ऑफ एरिया इज ऑलवेज इन स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर यूनिट. इफ सेंटीमीटर इज हियर तो आंसर विल कम इन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ you will solve question till 30 and we will continue this exercise in next lecture. Thank you.